Our next topic that we will cover is community of inquiry. I'll read this. Nurture students' speaking and listening skills with strategies that ask them to draw upon text during meaningful and respectful classroom discussion. So, with this learning strategy, we'll look at social presence, cognitive presence, and teacher presence. So, social presence talks about the ability to assert one's belief, feelings, and personality to establish relationships, trust, and open communications on and offline. Since we are in this online community, we want to make sure that we are respectful of our classmates that are present, our teachers' presence, and what we're thinking as we're reading through and learning. The context, context, I'm sorry. Cognitive presence, the ability to construct meaning through a combination of individual experiences and reflection, then social negation and collaborative constructivism. And teacher's presence means the ability to design, facilitate, and direct a social and cognitive presence to achieve high quality learning outcomes for students. So my presence in this class will be that you will recognize that I'm here. If you need to ask a question, want to express something, ask me. And I want to feel free to ask you. So I'll tell you four things about me. And if you're asking something, type it in a chat. I'll be happy to answer it. Make sure it's respectful and mindful. First, I love Scooby Doo. Love him. That's my favorite cartoon ever. I'm happily married. I do not have any children of my own, but you are all my children. I'm here to help in any way that I can. And I am from Indiana. Now, how we can create social presence online. I want you guys to type four things in the chat you would like Mrs. Dean to know about you. That way, we're going to create social presence. Once you start chatting, I'm just going to start reading things off. All right, another student who is from Michigan. All right, another student whose mom is a graduate student at the University of Laverne. Awesome. All right, Michaela, what about you? Okay, you love all the Marvel movies. Awesome. We're creating a social presence. Though we're far away, we can still get to know each other online. Now, cognitive presence. This is me asking you, wanting your input, how you want to show me that you are learning. Will we like to do lab work in life science? That's always fun, getting in there, doing hands on. Would a student or a group like to lead a discussion and teach us as we learn throughout the semester? Matching or fill in the blank? I think that'll be good. A quiz? I'll tell you guys ahead of time, maybe 5 minutes. Multiple choice tests? Maybe. I want to make this fun for you guys and for myself. And our main thing is what? Making sure we're learning for understanding, not just to pass a test. Great. All right. Examples of completed assignments. Is that how you would want me to know that you're learning? When we do a flipped classroom, I'll tell you guys more about that. You'll be able to work through things as you listen to me talk about it at home on your Zoom or the school board, our school board website, and then you come in and we put it to work. Put it into action. So those are some things that we would talk about that would let us know that we have a social presence, a teacher presence, and a cognitive presence in our classroom. So bringing all of it together, learning for justice. We want to build literacy and social emotional skills while exploring meaningful text, the content we will learn throughout this term. And what I will bring as your teacher is to make sure we meet the demands of the Common Core standards with strategies that foster vocabulary development, academic vocabulary development, because we're in life science, close reading, and speaking with listening skills. We will respect each other, listen to each other, raise our hands, and each strategy includes explicit connections to anti-bias education and adaptations for English language learners. And that is it. If you have any questions, please type them in the chat and be prepared to receive a link with an exit ticket so you can show me that you understood what we talked about. Thank you.